entertainment.
Now I just lost my job, got no money in my pocket, interested in doing something online to make a profit. Don't have a lot of time to just kick around, need support for my retirement that's just coming about. Interested in doing something online, looking at selling on Amazon and something along those lines. Came across AOE and Amazon training course. What is this? Will it help? I'm not sure. Should I try it? Decided to sign up with the $1 trial. Click below to find out more about this great trial. What can I say? Wow, AOE really helps. Coaching sessions, admin courses, Monday sessions, answers questions. Now I'm a whiz. Now I'm a master. Skilled in product buying, finding, advertising, no disasters. Brought my own product and started to sell. And there's nothing else to say except it went really well. I had nowhere to go. AOE came along, helped me learn Amazon. Now I'm succeeding. I had nowhere to go. AOE came along, helped me learn Amazon. Now I'm succeeding. Money started to come in and growing, extra financial support that is ongoing. Now I get to work at home online, what a breeze, and I get to spend more time with my dog Louise. AOE is affordable, financially viable, very reliable, best program out there, undeniable. They trained me and guided me through Amazon, advertising tips here and there, and now I'm in the glamour zone. The support AOE provided was unconditional. Everything they taught me so clear, definitional. What can I say? The program comes with a success guarantee.